Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable timeline preview in Davinci Resolve. This is a great way to customize your editing workspace depending on whether you prefer seeing visual previews of your clips or keeping your timeline clean and minimal. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Davinci Resolve application and wait for it to fully load. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom of your screen and click on the Edit tab. This will take you to the editing workspace where you'll be working with your timeline. The Edit page is where most of your video editing happens, so you'll be spending quite a bit of time here. Now you can see your timeline displayed at the bottom of the screen. Let's start by disabling the timeline preview. Look over to the left side of your timeline and you'll notice a small icon labeled Timeline View Options. This icon controls how your clips are displayed in the timeline, giving you different viewing modes to choose from. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Thumbnail View. This opens up a submenu with different preview settings. To completely disable the timeline preview, click on None. This removes all visual previews from your timeline, leaving you with just audio waveforms and clip names. This option is useful if you want a cleaner, more minimalist timeline view, or if you're working on a less powerful computer and want to improve performance. And just like that, the preview is now disabled. Your timeline will look much simpler, with no thumbnail images or film strip previews cluttering the view. This can help you focus purely on the structure and timing of your edit without any visual distractions. Now, to re-enable the preview, it's just as simple. Click again on the Timeline View Options icon on the left side of your timeline. Once the menu appears, click on Thumbnail View again to access your preview options. From here, you have two choices. Click on Thumbnail if you want to show only a single thumbnail image for each clip. This gives you a quick visual reference without taking up too much space in your timeline. Or if you prefer the full film strip view where you can see multiple frames from each clip, click on Film Strip. This will bring your timeline back to its normal, more detailed preview mode, making it easier to see exactly what's happening in each clip at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable and disable timeline preview in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.